Hey guys, it's Justine from the YouTube channel Grace for the Day, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 really fun fall DIY recipes using essential oils. In today's video, I partnered with Simply Earth, which is an essential oil recipe subscription box, which I thought was really fun, and I'm really excited that they reached out to me to do this video. Each month, the box is only $39, which is a really great value for what you're getting. Essential oils can be really expensive, but they like to keep their prices really low, and I just love that about this company. And they also donate 13% to stop human trafficking, which I think is a really great thing as well. But they don't just send you the oils, they also send you 6 different recipes each month and a few items needed to make the recipes, which I think is a really fun idea. So today I'm going to be making 3 of my favorite recipes from the box that they sent me, as well as using their Simply Earth diffuser. They also sent me their bonus box, which inside of it you'll get your monthly subscription box, but it's just filled with a ton of great items. And as I was going through this, I was thinking, wow, how do they do this? Because this is otherwise would be so expensive to just buy all this, but they send it to you free. It's just filled with a lot of great stuff like coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, and beeswax, as well as some bottles and some roll-on bottles. They send the bonus box every 6 months and you can get yours for free. And you will also receive a $20 gift card for your next purchase when you use my coupon code, which is down below. So I highly encourage you guys to go get that link, because if you are getting into essential oils like I am, this is an amazing box to have. I cannot tell you how blown away I was by how much stuff was in this box. So the first recipe I'm going to be making is the Halloween candle, which is with some rosemary essential oil and then also the citrus burst, which is one of my favorites. I love having this one diffused all the time. It just smells so good. But also it's going to use some of the things included in the kit, which is a wooden wick. I love wooden wicks because they make that crackling sound, and I just thought it was great that they included that, as well as the soy wax that you will need to make the candle. I'm just going to dump the soy wax into a double boiler, and I also added some of my own because I wanted to put it in a bit of a larger jar, so I just doubled the recipe. And the wax melts very quickly, so it's only going to take a few minutes, and then what you do is dip the wooden wick into the wax and then put it in the bottom, and that will just help it secure in place so it's not going to move around. And then I further secured it with a safety pin, or clothespin, that's what it's called. And then I just add 10 drops of the rosemary essential oil, which rosemary essential oil is also really good for your hair. You can make a hair mask with coconut oil, and it's just supposed to help your hair grow nice and thick and healthy. But then I also added 20 drops of the citrus burst essential oil, which is my favorite. And then I'm just going to carefully pour it into the candle jar and let it sit. I put it in the freezer so it would set up a little bit faster. But how cute is that? And also my glass jar is from a yogurt that I had, and I just recycled the bottle and used it. I thought it made a really cute candle. And I love the crackle of the wooden wick. It's just so pretty and peaceful. The next essential oil recipe I'm going to be making is called Blood of the Dragon Diffuser. I really love the size of this diffuser. It's just really small, and I just like what it looks like too. But I'm just going to add 2 drops of their energy essential oil, which is their own blend, and then 1 drop of the rosemary essential oil. And I don't know about you guys, but I always accidentally pour way more drops. But that's okay, because I really love the smell of having essential oils diffused in my house. Yeah, and a little goes a long way, so a few drops is just going to fills my whole kitchen with the scent, and I love it. And I really love the design of this diffuser. It just really goes with my decor, but also I like how it lights up and the lights change color, but it just reminds me of like a little candle. It just makes my house feel nice and cozy. And Marcus absolutely loves it too. Every time I turn it on, he has to smell it. He likes to open the lid, but it kind of makes a mess. But yeah, it's something that he loves to smell. He always points to it and asks me to pull it down so he could smell it. So cute. The third and final recipe is going to be the Creepy Crawlers Repellent, which I think is a fall essential because there's lots of bugs in my house right now. I really hate having spiders in my house, and there's been a ton in my room lately. And growing up, my mom always used to put cinnamon around the entries of our door, but that looks kind of messy to me, so I really think having the cinnamon essential oil do this instead is a really great job. All you're going to do is take some cotton balls and stuff them into the sachet bag that came in the kit, and drop 10 drops of the cinnamon essential oil onto the cotton balls and seal the bag. And then for a festive little touch, you can glue the spider to the outside of the bag, and you can put it anywhere that spiders are unwelcome. So for me, that was right by my bed because I do not want any spiders around me while I'm sleeping. Anyway, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was a really fun one to make. I love this kit and I cannot wait for the next one. So if you guys want to try it out, the link will be down below, as well as that coupon code to get your free bonus box and the $20 gift certificate. So make sure you guys go and check that out. I know that you guys will love this box as much as I do. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.